Namaste bachcho. So today I am here to discuss with you two special type problems. So one problem is based on inclined motion of a object and second one is what? Circular motion of a car. So at first I will discuss first problem. So as it is clear that we have two objects, one is heavier object, so body will what? Body will accelerate towards downward because this object is heavier than this object. Fine. So as per geometry, I know that downward force is what? Is the gravity effect. And the downward weight is what? That m1g here. The value of m1 is what? 2 kg. So here 2g. Fine. It is clear to you. So total downward weight of first body is what? 2g. And you know that from surface we have normal reaction. Fine. So reaction is always normal to the surface. So I will draw one reaction here. So reaction is R. So as I will resolve the component of this mg. Fine. So it will come this side. So here this angle is same as 30 degree because this is the angle of repose. Fine. So I will resolve the component of this mg here. So it will become 2g with the angle we have cos of 30 degree. And second component of this mg is what? That is mg mass is 2 kg of this object and sine of 30 degree. I hope this thing is clear to you. So I resolve the component of this mg because this is the inclined plane. So mg gets resolved into two components. One is what? With the line of this reaction and second one is what? With the tension. Fine. So two components are clear to you. Now similar case with this object. So we have downward weight that is m2g and here the value of m2 is 5g. Fine. So at first I am considering that in vertical direction we have reaction. This reaction is equal to 2g cos of 30 degree. So this reaction in equilibrium position, this reaction is equal to 2g cos of 30 degree. Fine. So here we know that I am taking that the value of g is what? 10 meter per second square. It means the value of g is 10 and the value of cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So from 2 to 2 is cancelled out. So here is what? 10 root 3. So this is equation number 1, or we can say that r is equals to 10 root 3. So this is the value of reaction. So this is equation number 1. Now I have to find out at first our task is what? We have to calculate the value of tension and acceleration. For this I have to make the free body diagram of this block as well as this block. Fine. So as first I am considering that the block A. So I am discussing about this block A. Fine. So here I am having block. This is the block. And downward weight is what? Downward weight of this block is what? 5g and the value of g is 10. It means I am directly writing here 50 Newton. So downward force is 50 Newton. And you know that upward we have one tension here, T. So as I am considering this block, so downward is mg, the value of g is 50 and upward is what? Tension T. Fine. It is clear. And body is moving in downward direction with the acceleration of A. Fine. So A acceleration के साथ body downward जा रही है. It means net force is what? In downward direction. And net force is what? Mass into acceleration. ठीक. Mass of this body, as mass of this body is what? 5 kg. It means here the value of net force is what? 5a. Fine. I hope this geometry is clear to you. This free body diagram is clear to you. So according to this free body diagram, I am calculating one result that net force is in downward direction. So F net. So in the direction of F net, बच्चे downward direction में क्या है बच्चे हमारे पास? We have 50 Newton. So 50 minus. In opposite to the direction of this F net, we have T, tension. Fine. I hope this equation is clear to you. The value of F net is what? 5 mass into acceleration, 5a. Fine. Which is equals to 50 minus T. So this is the equation number 2. I hope this equation comes from this part of the system. So this is clear to you. Fine. So now I am discussing about this system B body. So now I am talking about this B part. Fine. So according to this part, so I am having here one body of mass 2 kg. Fine. And this body is accelerating in this direction. In this direction, this body is accelerating. It means net force on this body is in the direction of acceleration is what? Mass into acceleration. बच्चे जिस बॉडी के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसी का मास लेंगे. एट फर्स्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस बॉडी, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग मास एज 5 हियर. Fine. Now I am talking about this body. Now here mass is what 2. It means the value of F net is what 2a. 2a. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now tension in this direction. Fine. So in opposite direction we have what? We have one force, that is 2, and the value of G is what? The value of G I am taking as 10. So 2 into 10 is 20 and sine 30 degree. And dear students, one thing more, if two bodies are in contact, then there is what? Contact force, and that contact opposing force is known as frictional force. It means one frictional force is there which opposes the motion. भाई एक frictional force होगी. It means how many forces we have? One has tension, second one is frictional force, and third one is the component of this downward gravity. Fine. It means one extra force is there which also in this direction, and that extra force is known as frictional force. I hope this concept is clear to you. So now in the direction of F net, we have this tension, and opposite to the direction of this F net we have two values, that is 20 sine of 30 degree and this friction. Fine. So according to this part, what equation I made, that F net is equals to, in the direction of F net we have tension. Fine. In the opposite of this F net we have frictional force minus 20 sine of 30 degree. I hope this equation is clear to you. Now the value of F net is what? Mass into acceleration, and mass of this first body is 2 kg. It means the value of F net is 2a, which is equals to tension minus, you know that frictional force is what? Frictional force is given by F is equals to mu r, as we know that this mu is what? Coefficient of friction, as it is given in our question, and the value of coefficient of friction is 0.30. Fine. And into r. R is what? Is the upward reaction, this one, and we already calculated the value of r is 10 root 3. It means the value of frictional force is 0.30 multiplied by 10 root 3. Fine. It means it will come, so 30.30 multiplied by 10 is what? 3 only, and 3 root 3. So here the value of frictional force is what? 3 root 3 minus 20. The value of sine 30 degree is what? 1 by 2. So here it will come 10. So now further we are solving this equation. So t minus 3 root 3 is what? Something near approximate 5 minus 10. So it means this 2a is equals to t minus 15. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 2 or any else? So first equation, second equation, now this is equation number 3. Fine. So now here I am having three equations. One is the value of r. One equation comes from this block, second equation, and third equation comes from 2 kg block. So first equation means from 5 kg block is given by 5a, which is equals to 50 minus t, and third equation which is from this block is what? 2a, which is equals to t minus 15. Fine. Now simply add these both the equation. Add equation number 1 and 2, or 2 and 3. Fine. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Just add it. So 5a plus 2a is 7a, which is equals to, so here is plus t and here is minus a, it will be cancelled out, and 50 minus 15 is 35. It means the value of a is what? 35 upon 7, which is nearly approximate, is equals to 5 meter per second square. I hope the value of acceleration is clear to you. How we can calculate it? We simply, as first design the free body diagram, then we got constructed two equations, and we solve these two equations to find out the value of acceleration. Fine. So the value of acceleration is 5 meter per second square. It means the blocks are moving with the acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Now one task is complete. Second task is what? I have to find out the value of this tension. Fine. So for tension I have to put the value of acceleration in either equation, or equation number 2 or in equation number 3. किसी में भी put करूँगा acceleration की value आ जाएगी. So from equation number 3, simply I am putting in this equation. So the value of a is 5, which is equals to t minus 15. So 2 5s are 10, which is equals to t minus 15. So 15 will come this side. It will become 25, and you know that SI unit of tension is what? Newton. So Newton is a type of force. Fine. So I calculated the value of acceleration and tension. Acceleration is what? 5 meter per second square, and tension is what? 25 Newton. So in this way we have to calculate the tension and acceleration in the problem of inclined plane. Fine. Okay, my dear students. So this second problem is based on banking of rope. Fine. So in this problem we have what? One circular racetrack of radius 300 meters. Fine. So it is given that radius of the circular track is 300 meters. Is banked at an angle of 45 degree. You know what is the meaning of bank? It means outer circumference of the circle, it is inclined, है ना? It is at some height as compared to the inner circumference. So as compared to inner road, बच्चे उसका outer road क्या है? कुछ height पे. Fine. So this is what inclination, and this inclination is given of 45 degrees. Means this angle is given that. So angle theta is equals to how much degree? 45 degree. Next is what? If the coefficient of friction between wheel and road is 0.2, you know coefficient of friction mu 0.2, the value of coefficient of friction is given at 0.2. So what is the optimum speed of the race, and second part is the maximum permissible speed. So for optimum speed बच्चे, so for optimum speed we have to consider a case so in which there is no friction. So we have to consider a case in which no friction. It means in first case we are considering that there is no friction. It means the value of that frictional coefficient, that constant is what? 0. As you know the formula for velocity is, this is rg in bracket tan theta minus mu upon 1 plus mu tan theta to the power 1/2. So this is the formula for velocity in a banked road. Fine. So in this first case we are considering that there is no frictional force. It means the value of mu is 0. It means this formula can be rearranged as, so tan theta minus 0 upon 1 plus 0. Fine. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 to the whole 1/2. It means formula will become only rg tan theta. It means in the case of optimum speed, we have formula. In the case of optimum speed, we have formula that v is equals to under root rg tan theta. Fine. So now I am starting the first case in which we have to calculate the optimum speed of the race. It means the value of v is what? Under root mu, not mu is 0 here, rg tan of theta. And we know that the value of r is the radius of the circular track. This is 300. The value of g I am taking as 10 and tan 45 degree. Fine. So velocity is equals to what? Under root 3000 here, and tan 45 is what? बच्चे 1. So it means here the answer will come as, so here we am taking 100 as common. So 100, 10 multiplied by 10, 100, और root से बाहर आ गया under root. बच्चे what we have 30, है ना? The value of maximum velocity. Fine. In the case of optimum speed. Now I am considering the second case. This is the maximum permissible speed. In this case we have to consider the force of friction and that frictional constant. It means in this case बच्चे वो slip ना करे. It means we want some frictional force which can act as a centripetal force to overcome the skidding of the car. Fine. So in this case the value of velocity is what? Is rg tan theta minus mu upon 1 plus mu tan theta to the power 1/2. Fine. The value of r is given बच्चे 300 and the value of g is 10. So I am multiplying 10 here, and the value of tan 45 degree minus the value of mu is given is 0.2 upon 1 plus 0.2 multiplied by tan 45 degree. Fine. So here power half. So here we have 3000. Tan 45 is 1 minus 0.2 upon 1 plus 0.2. Fine, to the power 1/2. So further I am solving this equation as v is equals to 3000. So here I am having 0.8 value and 1.2 to the power 1/2. Fine. So point to point is cancelled out. So 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. Fine. So 3, here we have what? 1000 value, and v is equals to what बचे? 2000. 2000 under root 1/2, and the value of velocity will come as 44.72 meter per second. So in this second case, so I hope the concept of that optimum speed and maximum permissible speed is clear to you.